What's up friends, Amar here, and today I'm giving away 2 free and powerful landing pages that you can use to promote your Leadsleap and your favorite make money online business. You can use the first landing page as a capture page to capture your prospects' email addresses, then add them to your email list. This is the landing page that you can use as a capture page. As you can see, it has everything that needs to be done on a powerful landing page or capture page to build your email list. I will get back to this page in a second. You will get for free a second landing page that you can use as a delivery page or a thank you page, where you deliver this quick training about the 5 ways to make money online with Leadsleap. Here you can get the share codes to import instantly these 2 landing pages to your Leadsleap account and use them as you wish. Of course, you can use them to promote Leadsleap and any other affiliate marketing offer or BizUp to make money online. So this is the second page, and as soon as you opt in on the first page here, you will get access to the second page where you deliver this training and also you deliver the 2 free share codes. And you deliver also free access to these 2 landing pages that your future prospects will be able to import to their Leadsleap account and use them to promote Leadsleap and any other BizUp opportunity on this button here. So this button actually says discover my best make money online opportunity, and you can attach this button to any program that you are involved in or you are promoting right now. So the thing is that you invite people to join your email list using this landing page, which is very powerful. It has everything it takes to make a powerful landing page. After they opt in, they will get actually the training number 1 for free to learn how to make money online with Leadsleap, and also invites them to join Leadsleap under you, and if they upgrade on Leadsleap, you will make recurring affiliate commissions. Also, you give away these 2 landing pages, given the share codes right here below these pictures here. They will get the share codes, as you do also when you opt in today on this landing page. You will get access to the share codes to import these 2 pages to your Leadsleap account and start using them as soon as possible. So this is the thank you page that you'll be using to build your email list, and this is the landing page or the capture page that you will be using also to build your email list and make money on Leadsleap. As I said, this landing page is powerful because it has everything, every element that is needed to make a powerful landing page. It has a powerful headline, subheadline. It says here, unlock your online income potential. Discover the secret platform that offers free tools, targeted traffic, and 5 proven ways to make money online. This picture also is powerful, showing my own earnings from Leadsleap, and here on this section, the bullet points always put here benefits, not features of the system that you are promoting. So these are benefits of having a Leadsleap account. And then there is a call to action to join your email list. Once they get to the thank you page, of course, they will consume this content. They might join you on Leadsleap using this blue button, and they will also be able to duplicate the system to build their own email list and of course promote their favorite make money online program. The cool thing about these 2 landing pages is that when you import them for free today, you have a complete power of customization. You can change everything on them, the headline, the subheadline, the image and the bullet points and everything, to promote whatever you want to do. I mean, you can customize this headline, you can change the text here, you can change the picture easily with a few clicks, and then have this landing page promote whatever you want to do. You don't have to promote exactly what is said here, but you can change everything. What you gain here is the structure of a landing page that is powerful and converting. It's the same thing for the thank you page. You can customize everything that is here. You can customize the video, the titles, and you can of course give away resources that you want to give away to your future prospects. So you are not limited to use these landing pages to promote Leadsleap. You can use them to promote anything else just by editing the pages and modifying according to the programs that you are promoting right now. What you have to do now to get access to these two free landing pages and customize them is click the link below this video, opt into the same page here, and you will get access to the thank you page where you can take the share codes that will be written here and use them on your Leadsleap cap to duplicate the pages and start customizing them. Here is a Leadsleap account that is completely empty, and I want to create or duplicate one of those two landing pages. So once I log into Leadsleap, I will go to Page Manager here on the left side and create a new page campaign and give it a name, anything, for example LP1 for landing page 1, and I click Add Now. And then if I want to import that design, I just click here, Add New Page Design, and I will paste the share code that will be given to you in this place and click Import Now. This is exactly what I just did, and as you can see, a page was imported, and if I click the link of this page, this is the same landing page that we saw earlier. And if I want to customize it, very easy, you want to click Launch Editor here so that you can change all the elements. So if you want to change the big headline, you just select it, click on it once, and come to this area here and type whatever you want. And then of course you can save the changes. You do the same for anything on this landing page. Just point, click, and change on the right hand side. For the images, the same thing. You can put the URL for the image you want to use here, or you want to upload. For example, if you want to upload images, you can just click here, upload your image, and replace this one. Same thing for the bullet points. And you, of course, you need to attach this form, this opt-in form. You want to attach it to the right list you want to build. So you click here where it says list on the left side, and then you click Send Seed List if you are using Leadsleap, and you click Get List ID, and then you choose, of course, any list that you already created. Let's take this one for example. Now this landing page is attached to my list, and anyone who subscribes or opts in will be added to that list, and it will be sent to the thank you page so that he can consume the content we promised. Let's go ahead and import the second page. We click here, add a new page, and I want to call it, for example, TY, because it is a thank you page, TY1, and then click Add Now. And you want always to click on this button to import the design, paste the share code here, and click Import Now. Just did that, and here is the new page. If I click on it, you can see that you have the same design. You can play the video.
What's up, friends?
And of course you will have everything that is on this page, and you can customize your link for Leadsleap here. You put your own referral link for Leadsleap here, and you put your affiliate link for the best make money online opportunity that you are doing right now. How to do that? You need to go back to Leadsleap and click Launch Editor here, and you will have access to every element that you want to change on this page. Of course, don't forget to save the changes. Once you do that, you come here, you refresh the page, and you will find all the changes that you did. Please don't hesitate to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are not a member yet, and of course ask me any questions you want in the comment section. I will be happy to answer and help you out. And if you want me to design anything that is specific to your needs, just reach out to me and I will do my best to design anything that you would like me to do. Thank you very much for your support, and I will see you on my next video.